Welcome back to Glitch Snitch. Are your WhatsApp messages hiding until you actually open the app? Don't worry. This is a common notification bug on iPhones. First, open your iPhone settings and tap Notifications. Scroll down and select WhatsApp. Make sure Allow Notifications is toggled on. Check off Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners so alerts show up everywhere. Next, open your main iPhone settings again. Scroll down to General, then tap Background App Refresh. Make sure the main toggle at the top is set to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Scroll down to WhatsApp and ensure its individual switch is turned on. This lets WhatsApp fetch new messages when the app is closed. If alerts are still missing, check your focus modes. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap Focus, then turn off Do Not Disturb or any active focus mode that might be silencing your alerts. Finally, check WhatsApp's internal settings. Open WhatsApp, tap Settings at the bottom right, and select Notifications. Turn on Show Notifications for both messages and groups. Toggle on Reaction Notifications as well. If that fails, reboot your iPhone by holding the side button and volume up button, then slide to power off. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe to Glitch Snitch for more daily tech fixes.